What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm so sorry I have not filmed in forever. I'm in Boston right now, and I'm gonna do an afternoon vlog just because I haven't spoken to you guys in so long. I'm gonna introduce to you my day on the channel. Alright guys, this is Orion.
Shout out to Yuri's channel.
We're walking at Chloe's right now. My shoes just untied. And Orion needs to use the bathroom. Yay! Nice! Ready to roll? Can't wait to try the food here. So guys, this is a one-person stall. This is a two-person stall bathroom. They have everything decked out in here. Looks so cute in here. There I am. I can't show you guys. I'm just vlogging on my camera regular. And I had a pop socket, and the pop socket fell from my job. On a roll, ready to roll. I'll probably have to come back in here. Oh, here's the fit. You want to see the fit? So I'm wearing some Zara jeans with some Uggs, my Hollister coat, Hollister turtleneck. Two necklaces, a necklace from and my mom. Shout out to mom, thanks mom. Well, I think Orion's done, so let's go back out. So I guess we're gonna do a mukbang here, right? A vegan food mukbang.
I just never done something like that before.
So you just sit in front of the camera, you eat. That's all you do. That's all you do. That's how simple it is. Hey vlog, so we're sitting here. This is cute. We're waiting for our food. Come. Baby, come. Let's take a picture. Memories are what count. And I am taking pictures. I am. So guys, I've been... Yeah, I can show you. So guys, I haven't been on YouTube. What? Guys, I haven't been on YouTube for a while because I have been focusing on school because I had to switch out of a class and I was so late on it and I was stressing because I got a new job. I didn't want to announce it yet on my channel, but this is my last week at my last job and I'm so sad. I don't even want to leave, but you know, it is what it is. I'm doing it, you know, purposes for school because I really do want to finish school. But I'm back and I'm better. So I have a lot of fun stuff coming up for myself. And yeah, come. Alright. Come on.
What's up?
Can I take a picture? What are you watching? we were having a good time, weren't we?
This dude was like, oh, I'm surprised to see you alive.
Oh.
This dude freaking college.
Alright guys, this is vegan food at its finest. Plant-based, vegan, like, yes. We got here avocado toast. We got here the oh so fancy fries, which are air baked. And we got here a, what do you got here, Wolf? A guac burger. Guys, this is not real cheese. This is cashew cheese.
Yeah, this is pretty good. Pretty fire.
You want to try mine? It's like spicy.
I don't know what the meat is.
I hear the air fried fries, the baked, the sweet potato, and the regular. Have it up.
Yeah, this shit is bomb.
I don't really like the sweet potato fries. They're not my thing. But he likes them.
You tried them?
Yeah, I tried them. I never really liked them. Never. In my life.
I like them.
The burger? Don't you miss eating burgers? Me too. Eating food and thinking about food, that's how you know when we're fat.
This is beet ketchup. This right here is beet ketchup.
I've never even tried that before. I'm gonna try it right now. Ketchup.
Pretty good.
Oh my god.
Like
It tastes just like, well, it tastes like beet, but like it tastes like ketchup. Alright, what did you think? Good.
This place is pretty fun.
Okay, so we decided to go back in and get dessert. Oh my gosh.
Especially me.
I know. Double chocolate chip cookie, rainbow sugar, chocolate chip.
Look at that. Chocolate cupcake.
They tell you what they are. So this is gluten free and it contains soy. This one contains coconut, but it's gluten free. All right, open it up.
They like chocolate.
He got me the sugar cookie because I don't know why he got me the sugar cookie. Why did you give me the sugar cookie?
Because I want you to try it.
To hold it like this. Life Organic Cafe. Boston has been becoming very organic, vegan friendly. Vegan and gluten free people. What is that? How is it?
Pretty
Good?
good.
Pretty good. Good.
Different.
He wanted me to start. I asked him if he wanted me to film him eating the cupcake, and he said yes. So nice and feel fluffy. Pretend you're what's his name? Chef Ray with the mean one.
Boy, if you don't get
Chef Ramsay?
Chef Ray, yeah, Chef Ramsay. I want to try it.
Oh, your nails look